everyone, welcome back to Easy Chemistry by Vanilla. In today's video, we are going to discuss the NTPC Assistant Chemistry Trainee exam date. As you know, the NTPC Assistant Chemistry Trainee examination is tentatively scheduled for the month of September as mentioned on the official NTPC website, and this is the indicative syllabus. Since the exam date is tentative, candidates should not wait for the final date announcement to start their preparation. This is the right time to revise the concept and practice as many questions as possible. For this purpose, I have uploaded a model question paper for the NTPC Assistant Chemistry Trainee exam. So, go through the questions one by one and understand not only the correct answer but also concept behind each question. While preparing for a competitive chemistry examination, simply memorizing answer is not enough. You should understand why an option is correct and why the other options are incorrect. This approach will help you solve new and unfamiliar questions in the actual examination. The model paper covers important areas of chemistry that can help you in your preparation. So, while watching the video, I suggest you first pause the video, try the question yourself, select your answer and then check the detailed explanation. Also keep a separate notebook for important concept, formulas, reaction, exceptions and frequently asked points. Regular revision of these notes can be very useful as the examination approaches. And one more important point, don't prepare only for this model paper. Use it as a practice and self-assessment tool. After completing the paper, identify the topics where you are making mistakes and revise those topics again. So, if you are preparing seriously for the NTPC Assistant Chemist Trainee examination, attempt every question and make your preparation stronger. So, NTPC Assistant Chemistry Trainee model paper and see how many questions you can answer correctly. All the best for your preparation. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn a concept correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Easy Chemistry by Vanilla for more chemistry and competitive exam preparation content. And don't forget to keep revising, practicing consistently. Prepare